Countries around the world. Where are you from? Hello, my name is John and I am 32 years old. I live in Sweden. My country is very cold in the wintertime. My name is Farida and I am from Bangladesh. I am 20 years old. I think my country is very beautiful. My name is Abdullah and I am 40 years old. I am from Egypt. My country has a lot of ancient history. My name is Peter. I am 24 years old and I live in England. My country is very beautiful in the summer because it has a lot of greenery. My name is Fatima and I am 20 years old. I am from Qatar. My country hosted the 2022 World Cup. It was epic. My name is Maria and I am 5 years old. I am from Spain. My country has lots of beautiful beaches. My name is Amajit and I am 50 years old. I am from India. My country has a rich and vibrant culture. My name is Lee and I am from Singapore. I am 34 years old. My country is very modern and organized. My name is Susan and I am 25 years old. I am from America. My country is very large and diverse. My name is Dipo. I am 40 years old. I am from Nigeria. My country has a fun and happy culture.